Welcome to Unboxing with Rob. Today we have Titanium Series die-cast mini Transformers. So let's check them out. First off, we have Optimus Prime. I really like the artwork right here. It's pretty nice. On the back he has his stats, so you know how strong he is. Alright, let's open this guy up. So this is what he looks like here. Nice hefty die-cast. Looks pretty cool. It's pointing at something. And this is a little bit of a surprise. I didn't know he came with a gun, but he does. Looks pretty neat. It'd be cool if it was black though. I think traditionally he has a black gun. And then here we have the Autobot base for him, which is pretty cool. You could probably use this for something else besides for this figure. There's no peg hole or nothing, so I guess he just sits on top of there like that. Okay, whatever. I definitely will be using these for something else. Alright, now to the next one. Now we have Galvatron. Once again, the artwork's pretty cool, kind of cartoony up there. On the back it has his stats, so you know how strong he is. Alright, so now we have Galvatron in his stand. So his Decepticon stand right there. Galvatron looks pretty cool. Nice bright pink for him on here. It's nice, or purple. Right, next we have Autobot Jazz. His artwork you could barely see, but it's still pretty neat. On the back, stats again. Also, this is by Micro Machines, by the way, and also Hasbro and Galoob. And his stand, he comes with a little gun here. Next we have Sideswipe. Art up there again. We have his stats right here in the back again. Pretty cool. And his stand. And he comes with a gun. Looks pretty good. And next we have Rodimus. And stats on the back. Artwork right there. Alright. Looks pretty nice. Got his stand. Comes with a little gun. And each one of the packages comes with this little paper here. Some more characters that are available. A little checklist on the back. So there you go. And today we have Gnaw, or Sharkicon. Anyway, here he is. He has a Mace Smash, whatever that is. This is a Transformers Cyberverse Power of the Spark figure. So let's open them up. So here we got Sharkicon Gnaw. Yeah, looks pretty cool. It's got a little mace right here. There's instructions. I like the coloring of this instructions, kind of nice. Alright. So here he is in robot form, and then simple looking enough instructions on how to transform back. Alright, something like that. And there you go. And you have a Sharkicon. Yeah, that's pretty simple. Alright. Well, once again, don't just like toys, love toys.